Today's gonna be a little bit of a different video. Sorry, I got a little bit of a different angle. I'm using my phone. I got this in the mail today. This is supposed to help with my internet problems. This is a Intel, which is Intel, not Intel, like the processor company. This is a carrier company, and the router is made by Huawei. And I'm gonna do a unboxing of it. I'm gonna have to just open the box. I'll just pause the video real quick and I'll pull everything out of the package. This box is legitimately never been opened. This is a true unboxing because the seal is still there. And you will see the product in a minute. It's supposed to come with two antennas for the back of it, but I'll show you here in a second. Okay, there it is. Doing this one-handed. You can compare it with my hand. It's pretty small. It's got the Huawei logo, a Ethernet port, which is the yellow one, a phone port, the gray one, the power connector, and then the SMA connectors for the antennas. And here's a user guide, I believe, which is not in English. And not in English. Here's the antennas, which I'll install later. A Cat 5 cable, which I'll probably use Cat 6. European plug, which I got a United States one for that, so I don't really need that. I got the Huawei router, another one, but I already had that in a video on my channel. You may have seen that. But it does not work under my carrier. It had a 21, 26, and 1800 megahertz. But this one has the 1900, which my carrier has. Like At&t has that. VERIZON has that. Straight Talk has that. That's the reason why I had to order this one. This one would cost $50 on eBay, and the one I got that I was just talking about cost $80 on Amazon. At the top you have the power power button, my bad. And then the WPS button. That's it. Let me turn to the front. You have your power indicator, your connection status indicator, Wi-Fi connection indicator, LAN connection indicator, and signal strength indicator. This is a unlocked device, so I can use it with any carrier, even though it has an Intel on it. It's unlocked. But that's pretty much it on the part of it, I believe. Just show you the last thing about it. The SIM card goes on this side. Just slide it in there. Takes a micro size SIM card, not a nano, so you would need an adapter if you had a nano. That's pretty much it. But you may see the password, but I'm going to change it anyways. That's pretty much it about the router. It costs only $50 on eBay. I'm going to see how it runs. This is a LTE, 4G LTE router, and you can use it with your carrier if you have like a 1900 megahertz. I'll post specifications in the bottom of the description of the video. But that is the Huawei, let me see, Huawei B310 LTE router by Intel. Let's show a little more on the box. That's about it. That's how it's going to be pretty much set up with the antennas, and hopefully this fixes my internet problems. But I'll show you an update video later on after a few days. And that'll be it for the video. As for this router, I'll give you guys an update like I just said. Sorry with the autofocus. It's not working too well today. But I'll give you an update on it and let you know if it's working, if it's having problems or whatever. See if I wasted $50 or not. But see you in the next video. Bye.